What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. All right, so today I've got a very detailed install video for you guys, something I haven't done in a minute, where I actually talk you guys through an install. I also haven't done a frontal, like fully done a frontal with like baby hairs and like straightened it and styled it on camera in a minute, so I did want to bring you guys something like that. If you guys are interested in seeing how I get my installs and how I get my frontals to do what they do, then keep on watching. But I do want to give a huge shout out to Tinashe Hair for sponsoring today's video. They are the ones that provided this beautiful chocolate brown, but it has like these highlights wig. It is a frontal and it is 24 inches, and I'll have all the details that you need for shopping this hair in the description down below. I'll have links to the store for you. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this hair and this style, then do keep on watching. I literally am craving like a good hair slay, so today we're gonna do that. I even want bone straight hair. I want to lay baby hairs. I actually want to do the whole shebang. I want to unbox what's in here for you guys. This is a package from Tinashe Hair. I think they changed their packaging. Their packaging didn't look like this before, but it is really pretty. They are on all social media, so you can go ahead and follow them just for inspo pics and stuff like that. But yeah, and when you open up the box, you have the hair. So I took the hair yesterday and I plucked it. I plucked the hairline, I plucked the parts, and then I washed the hair, so it's not in its plastic anymore. But I didn't cut the lace. I'm gonna do that with you guys. But this is how it looks. It is dark brown with highlights, and I'm excited. And it is 200% density, so she is really thick. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's got 13 by 4 lace, so it is a frontal, and then I just attached the clips at the bottom, and there are hooks and everything that you need just to secure your wig nicely. So yeah, we're just gonna put her to the side. So in addition to the box that I showed you, I also got a dust bag. I love dust bags, like everybody knows I love dust bags. So in the dust bag, well, in the box, there was actually an elastic band that has Tinashe Hair written on it, and it's got the adjustable straps. And then in the actual dust bag, I got gang goodies, like gang. I can already see wig caps. Another thing that I got, was this hair tie thing. I will be using it to lay my baby hairs. So these are Tinashe brand lashes. And then I got a bonnet. Oh, this one is a blue one. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. I don't have, every bonnet that I have is either black or pink, so I've got a navy blue one. Thank you, I love that. And then I think this is just an info card. Yeah, this is just the Tinashe info card. This is super cool. I am going to be keeping this to store my wig, but now we're gonna get started with the install. Okay, so I do want to do the stocking cap method today, so I want to go all out for this install, okay? I basically am going to start off by pulling this stocking cap like by my eyebrows, just so that it's underneath my ears. I'm then going to cut a hole in my ears. I'm sure if you wear wigs, you've seen this a million times, but I'm gonna thoroughly explain it for anybody who doesn't understand. And then I'm going to just poke a hole and put my ear in there, just so that the stocking cap lays flat nicely. So now that I've got my ears in that hole, my stocking cap is laying flat right over here. So guys, I've got long nails, so this part is gonna look weird, but I want to take my Got2b and a comb, and I'm gonna use it to press this because I can't, I've got long nails. So and I'm doing this to stick down the stocking cap so it doesn't move when I cut it off. And then I'm just gonna dry the glue. Okay, so now that that is completely dry, you really want to make sure that it's dry, especially on the side. I'm just gonna take my scissor and cut. going to take my wig and I'm going to basically fit it to see if I need to cut any more of the stocking cap off. Put it kind of where I want it. Okay, so I think I'm good. And then we kind of have to melt the stock. I look bald-headed. And then we have to melt the stocking cap with some glue. So I'm going to take some of my got2b glue. I'm going to lay these frayed ends down just so that they stick down and don't bother my wig, basically. Especially the corners, like right over here. Okay, so then the next part is for me to blend or match my wig cap to my skin tone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some makeup or some foundation, and I'm going to take just a normal brush, and I'm going to basically paint the front of this wig cap the color of my foundation. So I'm going to just basically do this. This is just going to help make things darker so that I'm basically not dealing with a light lace later on. And I'm going to also do the same, like paint the same foundation shade to the lace of my wig. And then after doing that, all I'm going to do is cut my lace. So yeah, I'm just going to cut off the excess lace on the front of my hair. So there we go, we've got my lace tinted nicely, and then we've got it cut. So now I'm just gonna put this on my head. So what I like to do is I like to flip the half of my head. Like I'll flip back this part on the side, clip that, and then I will flip to the, like towards the top, and then clip it in the middle of my head. And then I take got2b glue and just place some glue there. Place the lace over the glue. Push a little bit with my nails normally. And then I start pushing it down with the rat tail as well. Then I'm going to take my scarf, the one that says Tinashe Hair on it, and I'm just going to wrap this around my hairline. And then I think I'm just going to do my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and then we're going to style the hair. But I'm going to do my makeup off camera. Away from my ears. Like that. And then tie it tight around my hairline. Okay guys, so I've done my face. I'm going to take off this scarf and kind of blend my makeup with my sponge. I really wanted to go out, but like it's a bit ghetto outside. It's a bit hood. Not this line, child. Not this line. So I'm gonna start from the back and basically just straighten. Okay you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's install. I hope you really liked today's video. Shout out to Tinashe Hair for sponsoring today's video and providing such nice quality hair. I hope you guys learned something from today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below so that we can chat and I can give you pointers on anything that I might have skipped over or I might have said too quickly. Let me know and we'll have a chat in the comment section down below. let me order cuddles, girl. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Shout out to you guys for watching, and thank you to Tinashe Hair. I will see you guys soon, and don't forget, if you do want to shop this hair, then go into my description box. I'll have all the links for you down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.